SDG 16 stands for Peace and Justice. The target of SDG 16 is reducing death rates, which means it is related to hunger, gender equality, and health. In 2015, between 5.2% and 6.7% per 100% worldwide were victims of intentional homicide. This is still a big problem to developed and developing countries. Children, a majority of girls, represent almost 30% of victims of human trafficking worldwide. Sexual violence, crime, exploitation, and torture are also prevalent where there is conflict or no rule of law.
Many conflicts are happening in South Sudan. It is the newest country that gained its independence from Sudan in 2011. During 6 years, more than two civil wars happened because of conflict between forces of government and opposition forces. Around 300,000 people were killed in this war. Since the conflict began, more than 17,000 children were used in the conflict. Also, according to UN survey, the result reported that incident of sexual violence rise to 60% in 2016. Still, more than half population needs human rights in South Sudan.
The solution they are trying to do: sign peace agreement that benefits both parties. Find a solution to the problem of the world. Decrease line of getting job. Higher human rights, and the United Nations will intervene to resolve the war. Raise awareness about rape, especially with women and children. Severe penalties for persons who commit acts of sexual abuse. Globally, more women and girls than men and boys were identified as victims of trafficking in 2014. However, the share of women and girls has slowly retreated, from 84% in 2004 to 71% in 2014. Also, the civil wars, especially in South Sudan, has decreased by increasing value of persons, such as giving opportunities to get jobs.
We noticed that sustainable development goals are related to each other. For example, our main focuses, which are hunger and peace, they are like the input and output. When the hunger starts in country, citizens will express discontent to government. Because of different opinions, the war occurs, and both will get hurt economically, healthily, and mentally. If one SDG get worse, others will also. But when they are decreasing the rate of problem, they won't solve it together. It is a multidimensional phenomenon. By this assignment, we strongly felt that before the war becomes dark, we should figure out, cooperate, and help it.